Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can transfer your save game from USB to your PlayStation 4, or if you have PlayStation 5 it also work. So first thing to do, you can copy your game files into your USB, like a hard disk external, or flash drive or flash disk that you have. After that, you can connect your flash drive or hard drive external into your PlayStation. So here, for easy to share or easy to access here, you can try to follow this guide from PlayStation.com. Here, how do you to copy your PS4 console save data to USB storage device. This is like vice versa. This is from a let's get started by tap or click on this plus copy for PS4 and also copy from USB to PS4 console. So you can turn on your PlayStation, go to the settings here and open application save data management, then save data on your USB storage device, then select copy to system storage, then select a game or application and also place a tick next to each save file that you wish to download, or choose select all and select download. Here, if there is a notification, do you want to overwrite the save data if the file already exists in your system storage. So this is for PS4, and also if you want to copy from PS4 into your USB, more or less, you can go to the settings, application, save data management, save data in system storage, copy to USB storage device. Here we go, and this is for PS5. Is the same one. You can insert the a uh, drive into one of the USB port on your console, then head to the settings. More or less is the same process. But I consider to use Wi-Fi network. You can transfer your data over your Wi-Fi instead or your flash drive or external drive. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and circle the text button below. See you in the next video.